Hi everyone, welcome to Math and Beyond. We have here our problem. Find two numbers and the ratio 9 is to 4 and differs by 20. Ladies and gentlemen, we have two hints. We have the ratio and the difference by 20. So we can investigate the choices. Let's start with letter A. 18 minus 8 is 10. It's not 20. Therefore, option A is wrong. How about option B? 25 minus 15 is 10. It's not 20, so it's also wrong. 36 minus 16 is 20, so this is a possible answer. How about letter D? 25 minus 15, it's 10, so it's wrong. Letter E, we have 36 minus 16 is 20, so this is also a possible answer. Now, let's take a look at the given ratio. It's 9 is to 4. 9 is to 4. Which one is bigger? The first number. So therefore, from the choices between C and E, we are going to choose the ratio in which the first number is greater than the other. So therefore, this is our correct answer. That's all for now. See you next time. Stay alive.